Hello and welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you how to generate a sim using Aspen Plus. First, water flow into a pump where its pressure increases. Then it moves into the boiler, and as the temperature rises, the water gradually turns into the steam. Alright, let's get started with simulation in Aspen Plus. For the start the model, click on New Simulation. In this section, we need to define our component. In this example, we have only water, so here we define our component. Okay, now click on Next. In this section, we need to define our thermodynamic model. So we use IF97. It's a very good thermodynamic equation for predicting thermodynamic properties of the water or the steam. So now click on Run. And now let's move into the simulation. For the pressure changers, so click on pressure changers and select the pump. And then click on exchanger and select a heater. Okay, now we define our stream. So it's feed. We connect outlet from the pump into the heater, and finally we have the outlet stream. Okay, now double click on this one. The temperature of the water is 25 and inlet pressure is 1 bar, and for more flow we have 100 kilo more per hours. Okay, now click on next. For the pump we need to define our discharge pressure, so we click discharge pressure and we use, for example, 10 bars for the discharge pressure. Okay, now click on next. In this section, we need to define our specification of the heater. So here, because we want to convert the liquid water to the steam, here we change the flash type to the vapor fraction. Okay, and also here we have pressure. In this example, we consider minus 0.1 pressure drop for the heater, and vapor fraction is 1 because we want to convert all liquid to the steam. Okay, now click on Run. Back to full sheet. Right click on Pump, click on Result. Here, as you can see, the electricity that's required for increasing the pressure almost 1.5 kilowatt. Okay, and now right click on Heater, click on Result. We change the heat duty, for example, into MW. Okay, as you can see, the heat duty that's required for convert water liquid to the steam, it's almost 1.3 MW. And also if you want to check the temperature, okay, in the modify we active temperature. Here you see the temperature for the streams, and also you can change 3D icons here, as you can see. For the pressure, you can active also the pressure. Here you see the pressure of the flow sheet. Okay, thank you for watching the video.